the oil. I got oil on my skin, on my eyelids. It has a seat on the top. We need to shave it off.
I don't want to eat the skin. I want to eat my...
I usually eat the skin. I like the skin.
So what do you know what we're cooking? I forgot to tell you what we're cooking. We're gonna eat salmon, pear, and arugula salad. Or actually, I couldn't find arugula salad at the grocery store, so we're just having pear and mixed greens salad.
It's ripe.
Well, it's not super sweet, but
it's not bad.
It's okay. Now don't eat it all because it needs to go in the food.
This one's sweet and sour a little bit. Why we need the pear?
Because this is what goes in the salad. It's called a pear and arugula salad. It will be in the salad. So this one's going to be simple. We're just going to take the salad and we're going to put them on a plate. We're going to put it in there. Mix some pear inside there. I'm going to put a lot of pear because I like
pear.
The pear.
Really?
Yes. A little lettuce.
Oh, that's a lot of salad.
Now we're also going to put some...
Oh, what is this?
That is taste it. It's a candied nut. It's like, I think it's a walnut, a candied walnut.
Yes, yes, it is.
And this looks like a raisin, but it's supposed to be a cranberry.
It's good, it's good.
Blue cheese. Can you get a nice close-up of the blue cheese? It's actually...
Yes, I'm getting
It's actually got the blue stuff in it.
Yes, it's got blue stuff on it.
Okay, so that's blue cheese. So the blue stuff is actually cheese fungus.
Really?
Yeah. So you got your black fungus, I got my blue fungus. Anyway, we don't have any blue cheese crumbles, so we're going to kind of make our own blue cheese crumbles. We're going to cut the cheese and look at the inside of the cheese. It's got that nice...
Oh, I can smell its cheese.
It's very strong, isn't it?
It's stinky.
Yep, it's very stinky.
It's like stinky tofu.
Yeah, okay. So we're going to make our own little blue cheese crumbles here. And for all I know, this blue cheese is not supposed to actually be eaten, and we could actually wind up dead, I guess. I mean, they sold it at the store, so I guess it's okay to eat blue cheese fungus.
Oh, okay.
Or we'll wind up very sick tonight. We'll know. Food poisoning takes 3 hours, so we'll know. We'll know in 3 hours.
Stinky.
It's kind of stinky, yeah. So we got a little blue cheese crumbles on it.
Oh.
Now, I know that blue cheese happens to be your favorite dressing, isn't it?
It is. The blue cheese looks like chicken. It looks like chicken.
I'm gonna try.
It's your first time making it?
Well, it's not my first time cooking fish, but it's my first time trying to cook fish and make the skin crispy. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to get the pan hot a little bit, and I'm gonna put a lot of butter in here, and then I'm gonna, once the pan is hot, I'm gonna pop the skin side down on the fish and see if I can sear the skin. Because I know you like to eat the fish skin, don't you?
Yes, I like to eat skin.
And so I'm going to try to make the fish skin a little bit crispy on that side. And then I'm going to flip it over, try to cook the non-skin side. The thing about it is, I have no idea if we're doing this right.
I would love it.
Look at it. Did you see it shrink?
Yes, yes. Wow, the salmon looks so pretty. The salmon always looks so pretty. Ah.
So I'm going to to toss the mushrooms in here. Get some mushrooms going. Let the mushrooms saute in the butter. I'm not saying anything about this meal is going to be healthy because it looks like it's all going to be...
It has a lot of butter.
Yeah, but butter is whipped cream.
The salmon looks so good. Look at the color.
Okay, I'm watching it on the side here. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but I'm watching it on the side to kind of see that it's kind of cooking a little ways, and then I'm going to grab it and flip it over.
Oh!
It's actually,
hot.
Yeah.
It's stick on the pan now.
Yeah, it's a little bit, I left it too long a little bit. Okay, watch out. We lost the skin.
It's okay, it's okay.
I probably should have flipped it over as soon as I put it in.
It's okay, it's okay. Oh, the camera is really good. See the details of the fish.
Okay, I think all the scales came off.
Oh.
Okay, how do you like your salmon?
I like a raw salmon.
I don't think we're doing that. I think we're gonna...
I know. How long we need to cook it?
I don't know, baby. We're just gonna let it cook for a little bit.
Oh, it's still raw.
Yeah, the thick side is still raw.
I think it's got water. So oil, because I'm wearing the glasses, so it didn't get in my eyes. Otherwise, the oil will get in my eyes. I got oil on my skin, on my eyelids. You missed it.
You're fixing something?
Because I got oil on my eyelid. It looks good. It looks good. I'm super hungry. I can't wait to eat it. Wow. How is my hair look? I feel like
Your hair looks fine, sweetie.
Can't wait to eat it.
Do this. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ready to eat, kids.
I want to eat salad first.
Get a piece of pear, a piece of blue cheese, and some salad all together.
Okay.
It's a little bit salty, a little bit sweet, a little bit crunchy.
The cheese tastes not bad. I think it tastes good. Really.
You've got to get the candied nut flavor for it to taste good. It's got to be that mixture of pear, blue cheese, lettuce, and candied nut flavor.
Yes, I think it tastes good.
The blue cheese chunks actually make it taste good. If it wasn't for the chunks, the blue cheese dressing alone, it's not good enough.
Not strong enough?
Mm-hmm.
I've never had salad with pear. It's got
pomegranate?
Yes.
Well, be careful. Don't break a tooth on anything.
Maybe I already swallowed. I want to try some fish. I'll eat it later.
Let me translate that for everybody. You're done with your salad.
No, I'm not done with my salad because the fish is still hot, so I can eat it.
Because you were really complaining a minute ago.
I was not complaining. I was just wanted to add some sauce I liked.
Some ketchup?
Yeah, I can add ketchup. I like fish skin. I cut it in half. The fish is very tender.
I don't like the sriracha sauce with the fish.
I like it. It tastes good. Do you want to eat the lemon?
No.
The lemon just for decoration?
Put on the fish.
It'll take me another 20 minutes to finish everything.
Well, what time is it right now? 3 hours from now, we'll know if we get sick from the blue cheese.
The blue cheese tastes fine.
Well, it tastes fine. The question is whether or not our stomach thinks it's fine.
I really like the dinner. It's not easy to pick up the walnuts with fork. Why? Why you eat so fast?
It's a race, baby. The person that finishes first gets seconds.
I'm finished.